Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a box packing video. I just finished painting, these little babies here, and now I'm going to send them off to my best friend, Hannah, aka Neverland Nursery. She is going to be rooting them, and only one of them is going to be available for adoption once completed. So if you're interested in adopting one of these babies, definitely follow me and her on Instagram. I will put both links down below so you can keep up. I don't have an estimated date of when they're going to be finished, but if you want to call dibs on one and request a certain hair color, you can definitely do that. That's okay too. If you're interested, just let us know. So anyways, I'm going to be packing them up and shipping them off today. I did their photos already, and I'm sorry about this lighting. It's a very, very gloomy day out and it's very cold. That's why I'm wearing this big poofy jacket inside of my house because I'm freezing. So anyways, let me move the basket over here. I just have this box. I need to get some priority boxes. If you don't like disassembled babies, I would not recommend watching this because they are not put together, just FYI. But they are okay, I promise. So I'm just going to be using some white tissue paper to wrap them in because I don't want any colors to transfer or anything. So since they're so tiny, I could probably get away with putting both limbs in one sheet. That's what I'm going to do, just like so. I don't know, I really enjoyed box packing, so I hope you guys do also. And just fold and tape like that, and then do the other side. So the other side gets some cushion as well. And I'm not gonna put like which is which because honestly I'll let her decide. I painted the limbs all together so they're all very similar, so I'll just let her decide which limbs she wants to go with what head. Either way is fine because they are all very similar. So yeah, these are very, very, very tiny, tiny babies, which they're cute. Some people really love preemies. I'm just not one. The tininess can be really cute too because I do have preemie babies. I have two actually, and you know, they can be really cute to fun to hold and stuff, but to each their own. Everyone has their own opinions. I do love the way they turned out though. I like their coloring. I did try to give them that very preemie newborn look to them, and yeah, I'm excited to see who adopts one because I believe Hannah is keeping one for herself, so I'm super excited to see her photos because she literally like does the best photography with her babies. Like I'm so jealous because I can never make my pictures look as good as hers. So I always love when we do collab babies and then she does their final pictures because she just takes such good pictures of them. So I'm really excited to see what she does with that, and also of course how she roots them. And then ultimately, if no one claims one of the babies, we will decide on a hair color. But of course, if someone decides they want to call dibs and adopt them, we will let them choose the hair color. So we shall see what happens. Okay, now the head. And they are slightly different. One has a birthmark on her face. Just because, I don't know, I thought it'd be fun to make them a little bit different. But yet they have the same coloring. And the last baby, this is the one with the birthmark on her face. But I think she's super cute. Or he, I don't know if it's gonna be a boy or girl yet. Depends. When they're finished rooting, we'll see what they look more like. Now let's put this away. And get some bubble wrap. Put in the box. Okay, like that. Okay, let's see. I think this is a good size box here. This is actually perfect. Okay. Wrap all that in the bubble wrap. And then we have both of their certificates. I'm not gonna lie guys, sometimes I forget about the kit certificates. So that's always fun for me to forget. But not this time. So I'm gonna put those on the side so they don't get folded. And then here are their bodies, which so much plastic going on. Okay, so both of their bodies can just go right on top. Look at that, perfect fit. Awesome. Oh, and I forgot I have this to give her as well. It's actually, I got these little Animal Crossing. Hello, just want to focus. If you saw the video, I got these Animal Crossing chocolate eggs, and this one was a duplicate. I believe it's Timmy and Tommy. Let me see. Yes, it is. She also plays Animal Crossing, so that is my little gift to her. And I'll fit that right on the side there. Okay, awesome. It's a perfect fit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you are interested in the babies, definitely follow both of us on Instagram. I'll put the links down below. And if you're interested in adopting one of these babies before they're rooted, definitely let us know. We can set that all up for you and you can decide the hair color, yada yada. But anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!